Are you searching for innovative ways to attract discounted property leads? In the dynamic realm of real estate, creative marketing techniques can be the key to standing out and attracting valuable leads. Today, we delve into the world of creative marketing and its powerful potential in the real estate industry. Our journey begins with the identification of your target audience. To do this, you first need to understand your niche. Perhaps you're targeting distressed homeowners, probate properties, or motivated sellers. Once you've identified your niche, conduct demographic research to understand the characteristics and needs of your target audience. Once you've identified your audience, it's time to unleash your creativity with various marketing techniques. Direct mail campaigns, for instance, can be personalized and targeted to potential sellers in specific neighborhoods or demographics. But think beyond traditional mailers. Design unique postcards with unconventional shapes, colors, or messages that make an impression. Door hangers can be a direct, hard-to-ignore method of reaching homeowners. Similarly, bandit signs placed in high-traffic areas can capture the attention of potential sellers. And don't forget about guerrilla marketing, unconventional and low-cost tactics that create buzz around your services. Engage your audience with virtual tours or videos, showcasing your expertise and properties. Use social media platforms to share these assets and attract leads. Consider local sponsorships to enhance your brand visibility, or host interactive workshops on topics related to real estate, home improvement, or financial planning. Artistic property signage can capture attention and drive interested parties to your website or contact information. And don't overlook the power of custom merchandise. Branded pens, notepads, or calendars can be distributed at local events, each one a potential lead generator. But in our digital age, it's essential to include digital marketing strategies. Social media campaigns, content marketing, email marketing, and online contests or giveaways can all be used to engage potential sellers and generate leads. In summary, understanding your target audience, employing creative marketing techniques, and harnessing digital marketing strategies are all key steps in attracting discounted property leads. By using these techniques, you can stand out in a competitive market, generate valuable leads, and position yourself as an expert in your field. All it takes is a little creativity and the right approach. Remember, in the world of real estate, the only limit is your imagination.